Greetings, one all. How's everyone doing? I'm gonna have the Backpacker's Pantry shepherd's potato stew with beef. So, remove and discard oxygen absorber. Oh, I've always wanted to eat one of those. 2.5 cups of water. Let's sit for 15-20 minutes, stir, and enjoy. So we're going to use 2 cups of water because I found with most meals a little less water is the way to go. Now I've never had, I don't think I've ever eaten Backpacker's Pantry before. I'm pretty sure I've had the eggs, but all I did, I mixed the eggs into Bannock mix, so I never actually made eggs. Traditional English pub stew of creamy mashed potatoes, beef, vegetables, and shredded cheese. Perfect for looking for a hearty and delicious meal. We'll see how delicious it is. One thing I will say, I like how flat the packaging is. I mean, look at that. So it wouldn't take up a lot of room in your pack, which is nice. It's only 4.2 ounces, so 230 calories, 2 servings per container. Oh, so it's 460 calories. Wow, a lot of sodium. 940 milligrams. 13 grams of protein, so that's 26. 66 grams of carbs. Wow. Well, we'll see if it's any good. Decided to have a little pre-lunch snack. So it's crunchy barbecue mix. Just soybeans, corn, oil, soybean, corn, and or peanut, and barbecue seasoning. Oh yeah, they're corn nuts, basically. Well, they're a knockoff corn nut-ish thing. Not bad. There, I got my water on for my lunch. I don't need a huge fire for what I'm doing, so. When that's boiled up, I will get my meal going. So I'll get a hot brew going. I reckon it's been about 15-20 minutes. It's been sitting here, probably ready to go. Alright, let's chow down. Alright. Smells good. I got my spoon. Yeah, I got a long spoon just for eating these meals. Nice and thick like a stew. Looks like this. Camera will focus, which I doubt it will. Got carrots, corn, peas, beef. It's hot. It's actually got a pretty decent flavor. I think I like that. Could use some ground pepper, but if I was hot. Yeah, I like that. Got a nice beef flavor. Hydrated fine. I put like just shy of what the amount asked for, but it doesn't seem to matter. It's hydrated well enough. Yeah. I'd get this again. Whew. It's hot though. Well, I'm enjoying my lunch. I'm not gonna make you sit there and watch me eat every bite, so I'll bring you back when I'm done. Alright, I'm just finishing up the last bites. I'd say overall it's a good meal. It needs a little texture though. Like I would almost like crush up like a couple of crackers in here. Yeah, it increases the carbs, but you know, every bite is it's the same texture. It has a nice bold flavor, which I dig. Nice tomato flavor. I think crackers definitely would have. I would have liked the texture of crackers. Would have been really nice. Just something that you can crunch into. I'd probably give it out of 10, 1 out of 10. I'd probably give it probably a 6.5, maybe 7. It's not bad. If I was gonna do a multi-day trip though, I definitely want a variety in the menu. I mean, I would eat this again, but I definitely wouldn't only bring this like for every dinner. Like if you were going out for 2 days, I wouldn't do this more than one day. Alright, well I appreciate watching. Give it a try if you see it. One question I gotta say though, I always get asked about how much I pay for these, and the thing is, even with the Mountain House, like, well, what's the cost? What's the affordability? I never get my freeze-dried meals at full price, ever. I wait, and when I see them on sale, like I saw this, I bought it on sale along with the Mountain House. So one thing, even though people trash talk the Mountain House, but one advantage that they have is that they're in grocery stores and they usually will go on sale. Buy one, get one free, I've seen. Buy two, get one free. You know, buy one, get one at half price is what these were. So I never pay full price, always get them on sale. So, you know, it drops the cost of them down. It's like, I think they were like, you know, let's say it was $8, but you know, you just buy one, get one free. Well, that's $12. That makes each of them only $6. So never pay full price if you can. I actually bought these several months ago when they were on sale. Memorial Day they were on sale. Labor Day they were on sale. Maybe during the holidays they might be on sale. So, you know, save money where you can, because it's nice just bringing out a meal that you can just pour water, hot water in, and set it to go. I mean, cooking is great, but you know, the convenience of these and the fact that they don't taste too bad is, you know, is a good thing. I mean, I like coming out and cooking, but you know, cooking requires more cookware usually, more pans still have to wash and clean. This, all I have to do is just boil water in the canteen and pour water in. So that might be its own video maybe down the road. So again, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. I'm gonna wrap things up and head on home. Peace.